Well, hello, Team Amazon students and Rio TV students. This is Mr. Ippolito. With me here is Mr. Han. And so I know that there was some confusion and some questions on what we're doing here. Hello. I just have some students that are just leaving the classroom right now. It is Friday afternoon. We want to make sure that you're set up for success for the next 3 weeks while we're doing some remote distance virtual learning. So if you take a look right here, I'm going to zoom in on this. In case you're wondering, I was able to explain this to my second period class, but my first period class all my other classes, like you haven't really seen this, right? So I just shared it, sent it out with you, but you haven't seen it. So basically what's going to happen is starting on Monday, you are going to have times that are set aside for you to learn in these subjects. So on Monday, it's going to be starting at 9 a.m. The understanding is that your English teacher will be on Google Classroom, or by Monday at 9 a.m., your English teacher will have posted content work for you to do on Google Classroom. Now, every teacher is different and every teacher's comfort level with technology is going to be different, right? So there are going to be different expectations for different classes. But at the very least, the understanding is that if you are physically able to, at home or wherever you're at, if you're able to do your work from 9 to 10:30 on Monday, you should be working on English. You should be checking in on Google Classroom to see what has your English teacher posted. Is there a video? Is there work to do? Is there an essay to write? Is there a reading? Something. So from 9 to 10:30, the expectation on Monday is that you'll be working on English. And then from 10:30 to 12 p.m., 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m., you're going to be working on history. So you will check. So I have, as a history teacher, I have until 10:30 a.m. on Monday to post all of my content. Now, for those of you in 8th grade U.S. history, in our classes, Mr. Han and Mr. Ippolito, we're going to make sure to post that content by 10:30 a.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays. And then our plan is one or both of us will be on live, right? Now, we're not quite sure how that's going to look, like what that's going to look like exactly. Probably YouTube Live at least to start, because we're both familiar with that because we've done that before with study study sessions and review sessions. So I think the way it's going to look, at least at first, is at 10:30 a.m. I'm going to come on live. I'm going to explain the lesson. I'm going to explain the work, and then I'll probably go off live video, I think, once I've answered all the questions and everything, and give you an opportunity to work independently. But maybe have some sort of chat component, or where at least if you email me a question, I'll be answering instantaneously. But again, since this is all brand new to us, we're still kind of figuring out, exactly what this is going to look like. But that's the expectation for right now. So 9 a.m. Monday morning, you're looking for a new assignment on Google Classroom from your English teacher. And then at 10:30 a.m. on Monday morning, you're looking for a new assignment, a new video, a new something from your history teacher. And then on Tuesday, it switches over to science and math, right? Same thing on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, back to your English class and your history class. And then Thursday, science and math. Now, Friday, office hours, you see this block here, Friday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. We're still not quite sure what that looks like, but I think at the very least for teachers, what's going to happen is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's a time when if you have questions on homework, you can email in, and teachers theoretically, because we're not tending to classes, we're not interacting live with students. So the idea is that if you email a teacher or you post something on Google Classroom chat, or whatever the case may be, that you'll be able to get a response pretty instantaneously from your teacher, because we're going to be in our office, our virtual office, waiting to help you and to meet your needs. So that's the idea behind Friday. We're still quite not sure what that's going to look like, but I think that's what that looks like right now. Finally, when it comes to the elective and PE block, you're really going to kind of take your cue from your elective or PE teacher. Some electives will, it really just depends. So I would say at 1 o'clock, check Google Classroom for your elective class and your PE class to find out what kind of assignments or work you have during that time. Again, probably be flexible and just communicate with those elective and PE teachers. I'm guessing that for PE, it's going to be something like fitness logs or something that's a little bit more independent. But again, check with your PE teacher, because they're going to be working it out. I'm sure they've been working feverishly since yesterday, because literally yesterday is when we did the training on how to work with all this and how to deal, how to get prepared for this, right? So that's the plan. And if you have any questions, you can email me. Otherwise, there we go. We'll keep giving you more information as that happens. Otherwise, thanks so much and have a great day. And I'll see you in history on Monday at 10:30. Take care. Bye-bye.